Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is elephant. This is elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. Cow. This is a cow. A T-Rex. This is a T-Rex. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a shark. This is a shark. A T-Rex. This is Dinosaurs Rex. A bear. This is a bear. A sea cow. This is a sea cow. Dinosaurs. Scorpio. This is a scorpio. King crab. Giraffe. This is giraffe. Cow. This is a cow.